So millions of people are rushing the beauty aisle for holiday deals right now.
Oh, absolutely. And one that's getting a ton of buzz is the Ulta and Target Beauty Advent Calendar.
Right. It's got this huge promise right on the box. $139 worth of product.
For just 45 bucks.
Yeah, and a lot of you have asked, is that a real bargain or is it just some very clever accounting?
It's a perfect case study, really. It shows how retailers kind of engineer perceived value versus what you're actually getting.
Okay, let's unpack this.
So the first thing that really changes the whole value equation is the format itself.
It's only 12 days.
Exactly. Not the 24 or 25 you'd normally expect.
So you're all done by December 12th. It just kind of kills that whole countdown to Christmas vibe.
It really does. But let's just say, the deception, it doesn't even stop there. It's right on the box.
The name, right?
Yeah.
The 12 NYC Holiday Beauty Advent Calendar.
And that is so strategic, it makes you think it's some chic, trendy boutique from New York.
But it's not.
No. Our research found that 12 NYC is actually the logistics company.
The packaging company.
The company Target hired to make the box, so they're using a simple manufacturer's name
As a faux luxury brand.
to create this illusion that you're buying some exclusive, curated line.
So they're basically weaponizing the packaging
Yeah.
to justify the price. But what about that $139 claim? I mean, how can they even get to that number?
Well, they can, but it's through what the industry kind of calls creative accounting.
Okay.
You're getting 12 items. They're all minis or deluxe samples.
So 0 full-size products.
0 confirmed full sizes. And that $139 value, it's calculated using the theoretical retail price of those sample sizes.
Theoretical.
In sizes you can't actually walk into a store and buy on their own.
So when you do the math, $45 for 12 of these, you're paying almost $4 per tiny item.
Which is pretty steep for a sample.
Yeah.
It is. Especially when you look at the competitors, something like the Space NK calendar, for example, often has like 26 products.
With full sizes in there.
With multiple full sizes. But to be fair, there is a positive side to this Ulta box.
The curation.
The curation is solid. They didn't skimp on the brands.
No, you've got Fenty Beauty in there, Clinique, which is a classic, even that Korean powerhouse, CSRRX.
Exactly. So the non-monetary value, the discovery value, is definitely there for someone who's new to prestige beauty.
So the whole value really depends on who's buying it, right?
Right.
Whether you want discovery or actual savings.
That's the key. So our final take, it's not a scam.
Not technically.
No, because it follows their own internal accounting rules. But it is a masterwork of emotional engineering.
It's a starter pack disguised as an advent calendar.
Perfectly put. And I think the real takeaway here for you is to just understand how that strategic marketing language works.
That fine line they walk between what's technically true and what's persuasive.
Right. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this kind of analysis really empowers you in all your shopping.
So it's about asking the right questions.
Exactly. When you see any curated box or bundle, just remember to ask yourself, am I paying for the products inside, or am I paying for the illusion of discovery?